My favorite part of the trip was getting to know all the other kids that went along and making new friends.
I learned a lot about the deep-rooted problems that contributed to the housing issues in New Orleans, but we also learned how resilient the people have been, which was really cool.
I learned all about a different part of the country and a city that I probably would have never been to.
If I had to use one word to describe the experience, it would be impactful.
Enjoyable.
Awesome. Fun.
Fantastic.
Great.
Interesting.
Eye-opening.
Memorable.
Unique.
Amusing.
Wonderful.
Exciting.
Inspiring.
Refreshing.
Uplifting.
Motivating.